Herzlich willkommen bei Heideke TV. Ich bin Dennis, das ist Jack. Jack ist heute zu uns gekommen aus Föhr. Jack wünscht sich eine neue Haarsituation. Er möchte es auf jeden Fall oben wesentlich länger haben. Wir machen ihn dann einen mega langen Oberkopfbereich. Die Seiten machen wir wieder schön schmal, dass er es dann auch schön wild tragen kann es glätten, kann es föhnen. Und Jack ist bereit. Gut, dann wünsche ich euch viel Spaß beim Zugucken und wir legen los.
Walk from hotel room, caught up in the pursuit of everything you say you don't want. I'm just something obstructing your view, so do what you want to. There's no reason to put up a front. You're caught up, catching up, thinking that I can't see what you're doing. It's not enough to be in love, you're curious and careless. You couldn't care less. So baby, do better if you can't do better. You gotta choose to be with me or whoever. You better do better if you can't do better. You gotta choose, give me pain or give me pleasure. You're the type to tell me you need me, turn around and leave me, just so you can come crawling back. You beg forgiveness but then forget whatever you regret. It's penitence that just doesn't last. You're caught up, catching up, thinking that I can't see what you're doing. It's not enough to be in love, you're curious and careless. You couldn't care less. So baby, do better if you can't do better. You gotta choose to be with me or whoever. You better do better if you can't do better. You gotta choose, give me pain or give me pleasure. Blind from lost in love, I couldn't see, I couldn't trust you. Now I've had enough, so I'll tell you just what you must do. Blind from lost in love.
So, cool. Dein neuer Hairstyle, schön lang, dass du es flexibel föhnen und stylen kannst, glätten, wie du möchtest. Wie gefällt es dir denn?
So, Leute, eu achei maravilhoso. Olha isso, olha esse cabelo. Tá volumoso, do jeito que eu queria, é o melhor aqui em Hamburgo. Vem, se você é brasileiro, se você é português, se você é espanhol, se você fala qualquer língua, vem pra cá. A consulta deles é a melhor. Vem, o sistema, olha isso, é ótimo. Agora eu tenho um volume, gente, tem um volume. Adeus calvície, olha isso, vem!
Super. Ich sehe das genauso wie du. Alles total schön natürlich und es passt mega gut zu dir. Gut, wenn es euch gefallen hat, bitte lasst einen Daumen da, denkt an die Glocke und wir sehen uns nächste Woche. Macht's gut, ciao!